quick unboxing of the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 Founders Edition. I was a little bit foolish to think I would be able to get one of these September 17th when they launched. And this card has made my life a living hell for the past 3 months. I'm staying up till midnight every night, following the NVIDIA Discord, waiting for drops, F5ing, getting very close several times. Almost every drop I was able to get it into my cart, but at checkout it would fail. Or in the case of Newegg, checkout would succeed and I'd even get a thank you receipt in my email, and then a day or two later they'd cancel my order. So super excited to finally get this. This is the only one I wanted, the Founders Edition. Nothing else was going to do. So I'm glad I got it. The box is super cool, super sturdy, super hard. This could be like a monitor stand if you wanted it to. This box is amazing. So I'll definitely be keeping the box. Let's go ahead and open it. It is slowly opening, believe it or not. There we go. Nice. Ooh. Look at that. There she is, the RTX 3080 Founders Edition. When I saw this design and the cooling solution, I fell in love with it. It's like putting a piece of art inside your computer case. So that's it. Just an unboxing video. If you're still trying to get one and you haven't succeeded, don't get discouraged. Eventually you will. I got this one on bestbuy.com. The drop happened around 7:30 a.m. or something, and I was there at the keyboard refreshing. I used hotstock.io actually to alert me, and got in within the first few seconds and was able to get it. I really like Best Buy's bot prevention. They even text you an SMS code, and you have to pick it up in person and show ID. So it took them a few months, I think, to arrive at the perfect process, but hopefully now in 2021, more of these are making it into the hands of real gamers instead of bots and mining factories. But there you have it. Such a beautiful card.